Hello everyone, this is Brian23 and I'm back again with another Minecraft mod showcase. And today, what I have for you guys today, it's it's a mod, more like a map than a mod, but it's the Ether map world. This map doesn't require any mods or anything, you just install this map and yeah, you'll be ready to try it out. So let's go take a look. Here is the creator, the creator name in his Twitter and he has a YouTube channel called Victor's Gameplays. If you guys would like to check him out, then go ahead. Now let's get started with the mod. Now when you get to this world, you're gonna appear in this little small shed, and when you go outside, it's gonna be like a small boxed up little world. And here's the portal. And it's like the Nether portal, but it's the Ether, so it works the same way. And you'll appear in this little small gold city, or not city, jungle, or I don't know. As like, as you can see, the trees are gold. Yeah, they're gold. And the grass, I think it's blue. I don't know if it's of any value, I guess. I don't think so, but it's just blue. And you have these small little pressure plates, golden pressure plates. Yeah, they're just little pressure plates. Because if you stepped on them, you can hear the little click. So I'm guessing it's a pressure plate. And yeah, it has a small village towards the right, I think. Yeah, that's a little village it has. And it's full of gold. I don't know. It's like the entire village is gold. And yeah. Huh. The little villagers. And you should find here in this cabin, you should find the villager spawner, and in this chest you will find these things. It's like 6 blocks of diamond and 6 diamond ores, and you should find also 6